Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to create a chatbot in Jotform. This is super easy, so what you need to do over here is simply head over to your templates and AI agent templates. Now once you're there, this is basically all chatbots that you can use. So let's just say you want sales AI agent. So I was working on that already. Let me just open that and show you how it looks. Before we do that, you can head over to the link in the description, guys, which is going to be helping you to get 50% off on Jotform subscriptions. So that is going to be unlocking a set of features that you can use to make amazing chatbots. So let's just say this was our agent which we can edit. So let's just click on edit agent, and this is how our chatbot looks. So if you want to make it look like an actual chatbot, you can make it just like that. You can see on the left side we have chatbot option. Make sure to select that, and boom, you got your chatbot. You can train it, add knowledge base, files, actions, tools, and different kind of stuff that you would like to do, and it will be helping it to improve and add a persona as well. You can add name. Let's just say we can call it um, Mikey or Swissy, right? Anything that you like. And once you do, you can click on preview how it looks. Let me just show you. So basically your chatbot is ready. So this is how you can add your chatbot. You can see you can add messages. You can type hi, it will be replying to that.